Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can block spam text messages on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your message application on your Android phone. After that, you can click on this three dots button. Then you are going to select a settings option and it's over here. And after that, we can click on block numbers and spam. Then click on caller ID and spam protection and make sure that you turn on the block spam and scam calls. You can click on this toggle button to activate it, and you can choose either you want to block all spam and scam calls, or you can also choose only block high risk scam calls. And for me, I'm just going to select this one, so I'm going to tap on it. All right, and we can go back to our previous section. Okay guys, and that's how we can block spam text messages on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.